I am Pankaj Kumar Yadav, currently working in NLC India Ltd, Barsingsar Project Rajasthan as Deputy Chief Manager. We have started this cybersecurity training and ethical hacking course in Indian cybersecurity solutions. So, in this training program, our aim was to get familiar with the basics of ethical hacking and how to use ethical hacking to secure our own company's website data and cyber platform. So through this training actually we able to know all the basics and what is the mindset behind a hacker and how we can find the vulnerabilities in our web applications and on our devices also, and how anyone can exploit those things. So these things were provided and taught in this training session, and the most important about this training is that we get to know the theory part also and live testing also, live practical sessions that are very good, and by hands-on experience we got the confidence of doing the things and how we can make ourselves better and experience in this field. Thank you.
Yeah, sir, from your side.
So my name is Saurabh. I am also currently working in NLC India Ltd. So since starting day we taught from basic of the Python, and after that we started journey of our basic cybersecurity training, and day by day we step up and go good hands-on experience of our basic tools like cybersecurity and hacking tools as well. So overall it is very good experience for us also, and here also we learn that how we can protect our data, our system and our company data. So overall it is good exposure, good hands-on experience. This ICSS also show the live demo of the in website, ongoing web website. So overall it is good.
So all the vulnerabilities you have explained, means each and everything, cross-site scripting, each and OTP bypass, each and everything we have learned.
We have learned the ops top 10 vulnerabilities were currently there, what are they actually means, and we have solved the labs also. So it would gives us a good command over that also, and we will try to get more and more testing and practice so that it will make us more.
And all the practical is aligned with this theory also.
Yes. That was initially I told now. The most important and good thing about this training course is that theory is going with live practical sessions.
Online demo.
With each and everything is aligned with the practical also. Okay, fine. So thank you, sir. So
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.